These Garage Monkey watertight LED safety flares come with a handy, tough storage bag and a set of nitrile rubber gloves. Batteries are not included. These disposable gloves can protect your hands from oil, dirt, and viruses. Never touch an injured person with your bare hands. These flares feature 9 modes, including SOS and a work light. Garage Monkey safety flares do not draw any voltage when turned off. Install 3 new, good quality alkaline batteries and your emergency flares will always be operational when you need them. Weak or used batteries may cause any LED flare to not function correctly. There are 2 stainless steel screws holding the back plate. Turn about 5 turns counterclockwise and remove the back plate by lifting on the 2 clear tabs located above the screws, right here. You can also pull lightly on the fold-out hook after lifting the back plate in order to remove it. Now insert 3 new batteries. Attach the back plate and be ready for any vehicle emergency with Garage Monkey LED safety flares.
The new Bestrix AV200 air vent car mount provides your vehicle with extra luxury style, convenience, and is compatible with all types of smartphones. The AV200 air vent car mount can be easily installed onto any air vent with the minimum size of 2.5 inches or 64 millimeters. Just make sure to check if your air vent fits the product size before purchasing it. The installation process couldn't be any easier. Place the metal plate between your phone and your case, or you can stick it directly on your phone. If you own a thick smartphone case, just stick the metal plate onto the back of the actual case for more magnetic force. Now you can attach your phone to the magnetic surface of the AV200. To detach the phone, simply pull it off the magnetic mount. The AV200 was designed to carry a heavy load. Its 4 magnets are very powerful, so you don't have to worry about any bumps on the road that will drop your smartphone. Bestrix has also added 2 clips instead of 1, not like most air vent mounts out there, for more grip support. You can also set your phone with the 360-degree rotation. Bestrix, beyond technology.
Introducing Auto Floor Guard. Keep your garage floor clean and dry with Auto Floor Guard. Prevent that mess from splashing all over the garage floor. Auto Floor Guard is a heavy-duty containment mat that holds water and mud. Step out onto a clean and dry floor. Auto Floor Guard is simple and quick to set up, and cleanup is fast and easy. Auto Floor Guard keeps your garage floor clean and dry. Auto Floor Guard is a containment mat that holds mud, oil, water, snow, and grime. Auto Floor Guard. We catch it all.